Hello guys, welcome to Currency World, your ultimate destination for mastering crypto and forex trading. In this channel, I'm going to be educating you on how to master crypto and forex trading from the basic level, the beginner level, to professional level. So in this video, I'm going to show you, we are going to start with crypto in this video. So I'm going to show you the applications that you need in this 2025 in order to make money in crypto trading. So as you can see, this is our list. The first one is Binance. Binance is known as the largest crypto exchange in the world with the highest volume. So we are going to need Binance. But for users in Nigeria, for crypto traders in Nigeria, we are just going to use Binance for trading, because now Binance is not, we don't have P2P option in Binance. We can only use Bybit for our P2P. Peer-to-peer is a method where you use your Naira in order to exchange it for USDT in order to trade crypto. I'm going to explain all this further in my upcoming videos, so make sure to like, subscribe and comment so that you can know when I just drop another video. So the next one is Bybit. So as you can see, Bybit is one of the most important one here, because we are going to use Bybit for our peer-to-peer transaction. I'm going to do a video on that also, how you can exchange your Naira to USDT and trade crypto. CoinMarketCap is an application that summarizes all the data in the crypto space. As you can see, the volume, the BTC dominance, the fear and greed index, and the total market capitalization. As you can see here in ascending order, as the market cap, how the market cap is. You can see BTC is the number one with $2.01 trillion market cap. Ethereum is the second with 374.38 billion market cap. So this market cap is the total amount of money in circulation inside a coin. So I'm going to make a video on all that, but this is just a short video, so we are going to move forward to our next application. This is MEXC, MEXC. So this application normally lists meme coins. It lists meme coins and it is very easy to use, so we are going to be using it to trade memes. The next one is X, formerly known as Twitter. You already know it's a very powerful information tool for crypto traders. And the next one is MetaMask. We are going to dive into it in a separate video because it is in the advanced level of crypto trading. The next one is TradingView. TradingView is a platform where you can use it for your analysis. You can use it to analyze BTC, Ethereum, and every other stock that you want. As you can see, we will be using it in our advanced classes. So the next one is Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a decentralized exchange. We use decentralized exchange to swap tokens, not trade them with USD. We use it to swap. Instead of buying, we use it to swap. I'm going to explain it in my next videos, the difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Binance, Bybit, MEX are all centralized exchanges. You can use USDT to buy. But this Trust Wallet and MetaMask, they are decentralized exchange. You can only use it to swap tokens. I'm going to be explaining it in my upcoming videos, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe and on your notifications so you can get all my videos when I release them. The next one is Telegram. As you all know, this is a very powerful platform for information in the crypto space. And as you all know, the Telegram owned this token named Ton. This Ton, the open network, yes, it is owned by Telegram. So Telegram is a very important news factor in the crypto trading industry. So this is it for today. I'm going to be releasing my new videos soon on all these applications and how to use them and utilize them in this 2025. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share to your friends and family. Let us make this money together. Thank you.